Jen of all trades, I'm finally back. Okay, I'm going to try and get through a whole video without hacking up a lung, so we'll see how that goes. I'm not 100% better, but we're going to do this because I miss you guys and it's been way too long. So we're going to get into this video with something awesome. I came across this makeup brand when I was looking for a new subscription box. I've been looking for a new monthly subscription box. Something different that not a whole lot of people have. Because you don't want to see a whole bunch of the same unboxings all the time. So anyways, I came across this brand called Medusa's. They are all cruelty-free vegan brand, which I was like, yes, that's awesome. And they have bright colors. They're more like my style, and their packaging and everything was just everything. It was calling my name. So I was looking at their subscription boxes, which they did up the price on, which I was like, so they're charging $17 a month for their subscription box. So I was like, before I do this, let me look on their website itself and just see what there is. Well, they were having this awesome sale, so I don't know if this is something that they do all the time or I just happened to get it at the right time. I don't know. But most of their shadows and things were like $3 a piece, which would render the subscription box kind of stupid. Sorry, because you can get what you want for the same price, if not less than the subscription box. So I just ordered some stuff just to try it out. So this is me unboxing what I ordered. So this is just some random things, you know, that I had got that was on sale just for me to try some of their pigments and really see what this brand is all about. Is it worth it? Because they do have some, you know, for the normal price stuff, some different colors and things. So we're gonna see what kind of makeup this is and how good it is. So I do not have a lot of makeup on right now. My eyes are primed. I don't have anything on my lips. And we are just ready to go to try on this makeup. So let's see what we have. I did just get a few things, nothing crazy. When you open up the box, it looks like this. And this is the same boxes that they send their subscription stuff in as well. I think they're like identical. So it just has the black tissue paper with the thing that I ordered and all the stuff that I ordered. Now in the bottom of it, because they're loose, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. They do have lashes. These were actually on sale. I think all their lashes were for $3. I was like, yes. So they're called heavy or light was their two options. So of course I got the heavy because I want more pow to my eyelashes. From what I can see, they are super long, like they're really long. So they definitely have to be cut, but it does come with the lash glue. So maybe after we put some of their eyeshadow and things on, we'll put this on last to try those out. Alright, so the very first thing that I see, this is lipstick. This is what their packaging looks like. And this just happens to be, this is the one that I got was on sale. It's called Blue Moon. It's not something I would normally get, but I was like, it's $3, so let me try it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on for you and we'll see what it looks like. See? Look at that blue. That's what it looks like. This is called their Halloween color stuff. Alright. That is the color. Alright, here's my critique on this. The color itself is pretty. It's not something, like I said, I would normally wear, but it's good to have in a range of colors, you know? The formula is soft, but it is very patchy. It's just super patchy. It's not a solid on kind of color. It seems cheap. So that's just my opinion. And it seems like dollar store lipstick, honestly. And they sell these for $12. I mean, the different pigments, the different colors could be different formulas maybe, but if they're all the same, then that's not good, because I wouldn't buy this at a normal price, not for this kind of coverage. Like, that's terrible. Alright, the next thing, because this is not working, I'm gonna go ahead. I got one more lip product. This is, again, it says cruelty free on it. This is their lip paint or lip stain. And I'm wondering, because they do sell a lip stain remover, is it really that hard to remove that you have to sell a different product to remove it? That's kind of scary. But on the plus side, it's not gonna go anywhere. But I got the color Shag. Again, this was on sale for $3, and I think this is just the normal size of it. So I'm gonna open this up. We will wipe off the blue and try on this color. Okay, let's see. Alright, so this looks like a little lip gloss kind of tube. Alright, and this is with no lip liner, so I'm just going to get the full effect without the lip liner. So this does seem to have better coverage than the actual lipstick. So I like the feel of it. I like the color. It's a pretty pink color. And I'm just gonna wait for that to dry. So the other things that I did get are all like eyeshadow type things. So the first one that I am going to see, this is called Electro Kiwi. I did get the eyeshadows, were all on sale for $4 a piece. And they have a lot of the loose powders, or you can get the pressed pigment. And I got a little bit of each to kind of try and see which one is good. So here is, I just think that is such a pretty green. Look at that. Now if it goes on your eyes the way that it's showing up there, that will be gorgeous. But let's open up all of the colors and we'll see what we have to work with so I can play around. So the next color that I got was Electro Red. Again, just the pressed pigment, and this was again also $4. Okay. The red looks a little bit on the pink side. It's very, very glittery. This one seems to show the glitter more than the green one. Let's see. Again, super pigmented. That's a beautiful color. I mean, it shows up on my finger good, but then when I put it over here, it doesn't look as bright. So we will see how that looks as well. And as we're doing this, I can say my lips are dry now and they're sticky. I don't know. I don't understand that. They're very sticky. It feels like I have glue to my lips. That's really strange. I hope that it goes away. Alright, so the next one that I have, this is the only one that I actually did pay full price for, which was $12, because I wanted one of their bright neon pigments, right? But then I get it. It says Pro Pigment, not for use on eyes. So it's an eyeshadow that you can't use on your eyes. Well, what I did, because I did look at this before, so the thing is, it's been approved in the UK and other countries, but the US has not approved it for use on your eyes. So that is why, but I'm not scared. It comes with the little sealer on it, little sticky thing. Okay, this is what that looks like. You can see, because it's a loose one, it's kind of hard to show you. It's pretty. And this is in the color, it's a neon purple, if that makes any sense. This is another one that was on sale. This was $4. This is their loose powder, loose pigment cosmic highlighter. And I got this with the intention of using it for my inner corners because I have yet to find a really good inner corner highlighter color. So I'm hoping that this is what it can be used for and not just straight up like highlight, because that's what I think of when I hear the word highlight. Here's that. That's pretty. Now that is gorgeous. It's just straight up glitter. It's like super shiny glitter. That is very, very pretty. So I am going to try that on my inner corner here in a second when I go to do a look with it. And the very last thing that I got was another eye pigment type stuff. This is just a loose powder. And this was also on sale for $3. This was in the color Night Owl, or the shade Night Owl. This one looks a little bit different. It kind of looks like a little lip gloss container, kind of. Now this is a purple shimmery kind of color. Super glittery purple. That is really, really pretty. I feel like that would go really well on top of another color to just add that shimmer to something that may not already have it. So that is really pretty. So I have lots of good stuff to play around with. Let's try some of the eyeshadows and see what we can do here. Alright, so seeing with what I have. Okay, I definitely want to use the green. And with green and purple. As much as I want to try the red, let's go with this purple. Let's try the neon purple and the green. Let's see what we can do with that. I'm going to put the green on the inner. How about that? Let's try it. Alright, so I am highly impressed with the eyeshadows. Like, wow. Let me go ahead and finish up the other eye and I'll be right back. I went ahead and finished both of my eyes, as well as went ahead and did the underneath identical green and then the purple. And there was some fallout with that, but it just wiped away pretty easy. So I'm loving these colors so far, and I would love to try the rest of their colors. But the next thing that I'm going to try right now, because I want to try this highlighter for the inner corners, and let's see how bright and shiny and really good this is. This looks like snow. It's so pretty. Try with my finger. So you can see it. It is very pretty. I will say in person and in the camera even, it looks white, and it is white in the container, but when you put it on and in person, it has like this pinky, purpley, kind of iridescent, kind of glowish color to it. So it's not exactly like the white, like really bright white that I was looking for, but I think it'll serve its purpose. So that is really well. I'm just impressed. Like, wow, just awesome. So this is the only one that I have not officially played with yet, but I will. So the very last thing that I'm just gonna go ahead and do just to finish this look is put some mascara on, and then I'm going to try these lashes, and I'll be right back to let you know how these turn out and show you what they look like. Okay, well, that didn't work out. So I'm not wearing them. I don't know where my other lash glue is, but the glue that it came with, it actually says rubber latex, which I haven't heard of before, but I'm still new to the lash game. Maybe that's something that's typical that is used. But so I opened it like you're supposed to. This was sealed. I popped it open, and it is all dried up and hard. So I can't try these. But anyways, overall, and now that I have been wearing the lip paint for this entire video, it is crackly, it's dry. You can't really see it on camera, but up close and in the mirror, it's not attractive. It looks like I could just peel like paint, like actual paint, like just peel it off, like chipped kind of. It's just real cracky and weird, and I don't like it. So I'm really not impressed with the lip products. They are not good quality. It's not good stuff. In my opinion, again, my opinion, all my own opinion, as I purchased this, I'm giving you my opinion. But if you do want to try out the eyeshadows, I am like, wow, again, I've said it many times already, but I feel like their eyeshadows are really like their main thing. That's like their specialty or something from what I'm seeing. And from their website, they have tons and tons and tons and tons of eyeshadows, pigments, and colors and things. So for someone like me, or if anyone else out there likes these bright color pigments and colors, they're definitely worth a try. For $3, you can't beat it. I feel like they're just always gonna be on sale, so that's not a problem. But yeah, so I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence, but overall I will try more of the eyeshadows. I'll try that again. So yeah, so I hope you guys liked the video. This was just a new brand thing that I wanted to try, and if you want to try them for yourself, I will leave the link in the description below so you can check out their website as well. And if you have any other questions or anything like that for me, let me know in the comments below. I am also in the process of doing a giveaway soon. As soon as I get to 1,000 subscribers, we will be doing a large giveaway, so stay tuned for that. If you are not already, subscribe for more awesome videos. Don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. Alrighty, okay, bye.